Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volkswagen Golf tire. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a flat, stable surface, away from any traffic. Engage your parking brake firmly and activate your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Next, gather all the necessary tools: your spare tire, the vehicle's jack, and the lug wrench. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the flat tire. Now let's get those lug nuts ready. If your Golf has a hubcap or wheel cover, carefully remove it first. Using your lug wrench, turn each lug nut counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn to loosen them, but do not remove them yet. Next, consult your owner's manual for the precise jack points. Position the jack securely and slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing it to spin freely. With the car lifted, it's time to remove the flat. Finish unscrewing all the lug nuts by hand and place them in a safe spot where they won't roll away. Now, carefully grasp the flat tire and pull it straight off the wheel studs. It might be heavy, so be prepared. Next, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Gently push the spare tire onto the hub until it sits flush against the brake rotor. Almost done. Once the spare tire is on, hand tighten all the lug nuts as much as you can. Then, carefully lower your Volkswagen Golf completely to the ground using the jack. With the car on the ground, use the lug wrench to fully tighten each lug nut in a star or crisscross pattern for even pressure. Finally, double-check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to the nearest service center to repair or replace your original tire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.